Namaste, myself JVN Professor K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, subject Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, and my topic is blood pressure. As you have learned, blood flow from region of higher pressure to the region of lower pressure. The greater the pressure difference, the greater the blood flow. Contraction of the ventricle generates the blood pressure. The hydrostatic pressure exerted by the blood on the wall of a blood vessel. ब्लड प्रेशर समझ में आया कि हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय ब्लड ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ ए ब्लड वेसल. ब्लड प्रेशर इज डिटरमाइंड बाय कार्डियक आउटपुट, ब्लड वॉल्यूम एंड वेस्कुलर रेजिस्टेंस. Blood pressure is higher in the aorta and large systemic arteries. In a resting young adult, the blood pressure rises to about 110 mmHg during systole and drop to 70 mmHg during diastole. Systolic blood pressure is the highest pressure attained in arteries during the systole, and diastolic blood pressure is the lowest arterial pressure during diastole. As blood leaves the aorta, the flow through the systemic circulation, its pressure falls progressively as the distance from the left ventricle increases. कि जैसे जैसे लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से डिस्टेंस बढ़ता जाएगा ब्लड प्रेशर आपका डाउन होता चलेगा. Blood pressure decreased to about 35 mmHg as blood passes from systemic arteries through systemic arteries and into capillaries, where the pressure fluctuation disappear. At the venous end of capillaries, the blood pressure has dropped to about 16 mmHg. The blood pressure continue to drop as blood enters systemic venules and then veins, because these vessels are farthest from the left ventricles. कि वेन्यूल्स तक और वेन्स तक जाते जाते ब्लड प्रेशर बिल्कुल कम होता जाता है. फाइनली ब्लड प्रेशर रीचेज 0 mmHg as the blood flow into the right ventricle. इसके बाद वन थिंग आती है कि मीन आर्टीरियल ब्लड प्रेशर, यानी कि एवरेज ब्लड प्रेशर इन आर्टरीज. इट इज एस्टिमेटेड एज फॉलो: मीन आर्टीरियल ब्लड प्रेशर इक्वल टू डायस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर प्लस 1/3 सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर माइनस डायस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर. Thus, in a person whose blood pressure is 110/70 mmHg, the mean arterial pressure is about 83 mmHg. Blood pressure also depends on the total volume of the blood in cardiovascular system. The normal volume of the blood in the adult is about 5 liters, and a decrease in this volume as from hemorrhage decrease the amount of blood that is circulated through the arteries each minute. A modest decrease can be compensated for by homeostatic mechanism that help to maintain the blood pressure. But if the decrease in blood volume is greater than 10% of the total, blood pressure drops. Conversely, anything that increase blood volume, such as water retention in the body, tend to increase the blood pressure. Then, what are the factors that affect the blood pressure? As noted earlier, vascular resistance is the opposition to blood flow due to the friction between blood and the walls of the blood vessels. ठीक है, तो vascular resistance depends on the size of the blood vessel, lumen, blood viscosity, total blood vessel length, and other factor is the age. So first we consider the age. The value of both systolic and diastolic pressure increase with age. Blood pressure of a newly born baby is about 90 upon 55 mmHg. In a young adult, it is 120 by 80 mmHg, while in old age it is 150 by 90 mmHg. It is so because with age the arterial wall become rigid and less elastic after the age of 60 years. It is normally calculated as 100 plus age of the person. Okay. Then size of the lumen. Smaller the lumen of a blood vessel, greater is its resistance to blood flow. Resistance is inversely proportional to the fourth power of the diameter of the blood vessel lumen. The smaller the diameter of the blood vessel, greater the resistance it offers to blood flow. For example, if the diameter of a blood vessel decrease by 1/2, अगर डायमीटर आधा हो जाता है, its resistance to blood flow increase 16 times. Then blood viscosity. The viscosity यानी कि thickness of the blood depends mostly on the ratio of red blood cell to plasma volume, and to a smaller extent on the concentration of the protein in the plasma. Higher the blood viscosity, higher the resistance. Any condition that increases the viscosity of the blood, such as dehydration, a polycythemia, I have already told you कि unusually high number of red blood cells, thus increase the blood pressure. A depletion of plasma protein या red blood cells due to anemia or hemorrhage decreases viscosity and thus decrease the blood pressure. The next factor, total blood vessel length. Resistance to blood flow through a vessel is directly proportional to the length of the blood vessel. The longer a blood vessel, greater the resistance. Obese peoples often have hypertension. कि जो मोटे लोग होते हैं उनको हमेशा BP हाई होता है, because the additional blood vessel in their adipose tissue increase their total blood vessel length. An estimated 650 kilometer of additional blood vessels develop for each extra kilogram of fat. कि 1 kg को वेस्कुलराइज करने के लिए 650 किलोमीटर लेंथ आपकी ब्लड वेसल्स की बढ़ जाती है. ठीक है. This is all about the blood pressures and the factors that affect the blood pressure. This session is powered by digital version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.